Most people get excited about DoorDash because they hear about quick money, but most drivers quit for the wrong reasons. Here's the truth no one tells you. The platform works very differently depending on your city, timing, and strategy, especially when compared with major delivery systems like DoorDash. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every order will be profitable. In reality, your earnings depend on peak hours, tips, and how selective you are with orders. In this video, you will learn whether DoorDash is still worth it in 2026, how much drivers actually make, and who should and should not use it. Let's start with the basics. DoorDash pays drivers per delivery. That includes base pay, customer tips, and sometimes promotions like peak pay. But here's where it gets interesting. Base pay alone is usually low, so tips make a huge difference. Now here's the problem most new drivers face. They accept every order thinking more trips equal more money. But low-paying orders can actually reduce your hourly earnings because of fuel and time. Let's break down real earning potential. A driver named Alex in a busy city might earn solid money during dinner rush hours, especially Friday and Saturday nights. In contrast, a driver named Jake in a quiet suburb might struggle during off-peak hours and rely heavily on long-distance orders. So is DoorDash worth it? It depends on your strategy. If you work smart hours like lunch and dinner rush, you can often make strong hourly income. But if you drive randomly throughout the day, earnings can drop quickly. Now let's talk about flexibility. DoorDash is one of the most flexible gig apps. You can log in anytime, accept or decline orders, and stop whenever you want. That makes it ideal for side income, not necessarily full-time stability. But here's another key point many drivers miss. Vehicle costs. Gas maintenance and depreciation can reduce your real profit more than expected. So even if you see good weekly numbers, your net income may be lower after expenses. Now here's where it gets interesting. Top drivers don't chase every order. They focus only on high-tip orders and short-distance deliveries. That simple change can significantly improve earnings without working extra hours. So is DoorDash worth it in 2026? Yes, if you treat it like a strategy game instead of just driving randomly. It works best for flexible income, side hustles, or part-time earnings. It is not guaranteed full-time stable income unless you optimize your approach. The smart takeaway is simple. DoorDash rewards strategy, timing, and discipline, not just driving. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your experience with DoorDash, and subscribe for more real-world gig economy breakdowns that help you earn smarter, not harder.